Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel NTS Guru. Today is the lecture 1 of series of past paper MCQs. Today's lecture is about all the questions related to algebra. Question number 1 is if x equal to 235, y equal to 117, then x square minus y square divided by x minus y equal to. So by solving x square minus y square divided by x minus y, as x square minus y square can be simplified as x minus y and x plus y divided by x minus y. Here x minus y and x minus y is cancelled. Remaining is x plus y. What is x? X is 235 and y is 117. So by adding 235 and 117, result is 352. So correct option is option D. Next question is if x square minus y square is equal to 16 and x square plus y square equal to 34, which of the following could be value of x and y? X square minus y square and x square plus y square, which is equal to 16, which is equal to 34. So by cancelling these, 2x square equal to, here is 50. So this implies that x square equal to 25. By putting this value of x square in equation x square plus y square, y square equal to 34 minus 25, which is equal to 9. So here y equal to plus minus 3 and here x equal to plus minus 5. So by multiplying these values we can find the value of xy, which is equal to minus 15 and plus 15. So option C is correct one. Next question is the average of the polynomials 2x square plus 5x minus 6. Second is 5x square minus 5x minus 6, and third is 30 minus 7x square. So how to find average? Average is always fine. We can find average by adding all the values divided by number of terms. So here are 3 terms, so we will add these 3 terms and divide it by 3. So first by adding these 3 terms, as you can see, here are 5 plus 7x here is minus 7x here, this is cancelled. Here is plus 5x here, minus, this is cancelled. Here is 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is plus 18. So sum of these 3 terms is 18. When 18 is divided by 3, the average is 6. So correct option is C1. Question number 4 is what is the value of x square plus 14x plus 24 when x equal to 8? 54. So first of all, in order to put this value, we will simplify x square plus 14x as 12x plus 2x plus 24. So here these factors are x plus 12, x plus 12. This is x plus 2 and x plus 12. So now by putting value of 854 in this, when 854 is added with 2, this will be 856, and then 856 added 12, this will be 866. So whenever we will multiply 856 with 866, result is. How to do quick multiplication without calculator? You can see my lecture of multiplication, 3-digit multiplication. Link is mentioned. Next question is if x square plus y square equal to 9 and x minus y whole square equal to 3, what is xy? As x minus y whole square equal to 3, which is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy, which is equal to 3. Just open this formula of x minus y whole square. So now put value of x square plus y square here, which is equal to 9. 9 minus 2xy equal to 3. This implies that whenever 3 is shifted to left hand side and 2xy to right hand side. This will be 9 plus 3 is, 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 equal to minus 2xy. 6 equal to plus 2xy. When 6 is divided by 2, here is 3. So value of x and y is D, option D, which is equal to 3. Next question is the value of 5x plus 4 and x plus 12 minus 5x minus 6 and x plus 3 is. First of all, we will multiply both these terms and simplify this. 5x plus 5x into x is 5x here. 5x into 12 is 60x plus 4x plus 12 into 4 is. In this option here is 1. So this will be, here will be 5x square plus 5x plus 4x plus 4. Here will be minus 5x square plus 15x minus 6x minus 18. So here is 5x square, here is minus 5x here, this will be cancelled. 5 and 4 is 9x, 15 minus 6 is 9x, here this will be also cancelled. Here is 4 and here is plus 18. 4 plus 18 equal to 22. So option D, which is 22, is correct one. Next question is, if 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z and xy equal to z, what is the average of x and y? Here is given as 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 1 by z. By taking LCM, it will be xy and here will be x plus y, which is equal to 1 by z. As here is given as xy is z, we can put this xy as z. X plus y divided by z, which is equal to z. Z and z are cancelled, so x plus y equal to 1. But here question is average of x plus y. In order to find, just divide this x plus y by 2 on both sides. So average of x plus y is 1 by 2. So option A is correct one. Question number 8 is, if p square minus q square equal to 48 and p minus q equal to 12, what is the average of p and q? First we will simplify this by dividing both the terms. As p square minus q square is equal to p plus q and p minus q. 48 by 12 equal to 4. Here is cancelled. So p plus q equal to 4. In order to find average, just divide the both sides by 2. So this average will be 4 by 2 is 2. So option C is correct one. Next question number 9 is 1 by x plus x whole square minus 1 by x minus x whole square is equal to. So by opening both of these terms, this is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is equal to x into 1 by x. This will be cancelled. Next is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x into 1 by x will be cancelled. So as we see, here is 1 by x square minus, here is plus, here is plus, here is minus, 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 plus, which is equal to plus 4. So option A is correct one. Next question is, if x plus 1 by x whole square equal to 81, then x square plus 1 by x will be. So open this, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab. Here 2, a is x and b is 1 by x, so that will be cancelled, which is equal to 81. So move this 2 on the right hand side. So 81 minus 2 will be 79. So option D is correct one. Next question is, if x is less than 0, then minus 3x square is. As we see, x is less than 0. So by saying option, here option is minus, here will be minus whenever there is power of minus, if it is power is even, then it will be always plus, and if it is odd, the result will be always negative. So by seeing options, here is minus 3 square will be plus 9 and x square is 9x square. So this option will be always less than 9x square. It will not be greater than this or equal to this value. So option A is correct one. Question number 12 is, if a equal to minus 5 and b equal to 3, then minus a square b cube equal to. So by putting value of a and b, whenever there is negative power with even, power is even with negative inside the bracket, then result will be always positive. So whenever 25 is multiplied by 9, result is minus 675. So option D is correct. Next question number 13 is, a plus b and a minus b is match with which of the following? So we will see this is a minus b and a minus b, which not matches with this. This is a plus b and a, here these are a with negative sign and a with positive sign. This option is not correct. Here is a minus b and both the values is plus sign. This option is correct one as it matches with the question. Here what is this? Here also b with one b is positive sign and one b is negative sign. Next question is 3x square minus 27 whole divided by x minus 3 if x is greater than 0. If x is greater than 0, first of all we'll simplify this 3 by taking 3 common. This is x square minus 27 can be factorized as x plus 3 and x minus 3 whole divided by x minus 3. This is cancelled. This will be 3x plus 9. So it will be always greater than 2x plus 9 as it is shown. Answer is 3x plus 9. In the lecture 2 of this series, I will discuss some more questions which are from the past paper of different competitive exams. Like and share my video and subscribe my channel.